Hi guys, welcome to Sit on My Bits, and it's Friday, the end of the week, whoop whoop, and I'm just going to do a quick little update on BinBot Pro. But first, I've got some news. My first withdrawal, I was a withdrawal virgin with BinBot Pro, but I put a withdrawal through, and it come through today. Let me just show you here on my in Video Forex. As you can see there, I withdrew $8,106.17. If you watch my last video, my amount at the end of the video was 68,106. I've just taken the 8 off and I've left the 60 in there to play with. And the reason I've done that is because it takes 10% of your balance, so it's still placing big trades. Also, as well, because it's my first withdrawal, I didn't want to put a massive amount in, because sometimes brokers don't like that. So I just put a small amount in rather than trying to take 20 grand out, which I tend to like to do anyway. I tend to take it out in little bunches of maybe 5 grand, something like that, just as I think it's better. But yeah, withdrawal went through fine, so very pleased with that. So I've left 60 grand in it to trade with, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to put the robots on. Now, Friday afternoons can be a little bit dodgy for trading, so I'm going to put the top. At the minute, I'm only using these top 4 robots. Like I said before, if anyone's got any other, I know I'm a bit late with BinBot. I know other people have been using it before, so if anyone's got any robots that they're using, maybe some of these lesser ones with a lesser profit percentage are good. I don't know, but for now it's working for me just using these top 4. So I'm going to do that. So crypto ADX, I'm going to keep a careful eye on it, because I say it's Friday and things can be a bit rocky on a Friday. X profit and Ichimoku, and let them run. So that will be taking 10% of that 60 grand. And then what I'll do is, if I'll place a few trades, I'm not going to place too many today, I say, because Friday afternoons can be a bit dodgy. But just for while I'm on here doing a review anyway, I'll place a couple, and then I'm going to put in some more. What I think I might do is keep the trade amount at around 40 grand. So I'll put some more withdrawals in. Now I know that they go through fine. Keep it around 40 grand, so then it's placing the 10% of the 40 grand, and then that way I'm getting a bigger return. So let's just wait for this to place some trades. They're 10-minute trades, and it takes 10% of your balance. So is it going to place any? Yep, there we go. 4 trades placed. So I'll let them do their thing, and then I'll come back in 10 minutes time, and we'll see how we get on. But the beauty of this is, what I've noticed with it, it doesn't just place trade. It places them in chunks of 4. Now, because I'm doing such big trades, you can see the balance has now gone down to 36 grand. I'm going to just check it each time, probably turn the robot off. Actually, I'll turn those robots off now while those trades are placed. I mean, it doesn't, I know I'm early to it, but it doesn't just take your trades bang, 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 bang. It does them in little blocks of 3 or 4, I've noticed, and then it doesn't place any more until those have expired. But I'm going to turn it off just to be safe, and then we'll come back in a few minutes time and see how we got on. So I'm just going to pause the video, and I'll be back shortly. Okay, so I'm just here waiting for these to come in. They should finish any minute now, hopefully. So I just thought I would record as they come in. It should be finishing any second now. Oh, there we go. I've refreshed it, and 3 have come in, and one has lost. So yeah, not too bad. Not too bad going. Let's go back to the robots. So yeah, 6 grand in those few trades. Shall I do another lot or not? To be honest with you, I think I'm going to leave it. I need to go out anyway. So I'm going to leave it. But just, yeah, really the main reason for the review was to show you the withdrawal went through fine. So very happy with that. But yeah, I think, shall I do another? Let's fuck it. Let's do 3 more. Let's do 3 more. Now this is a bit risky because it's I say Fridays afternoons are renowned for being bad. Yeah, so I've got the four open now. So I just picked the ones with the highest profit percentage. Let's see, is it going to place any? Yeah, I'll do these 4, another 4 trades, and then I'm going to knock it on the head. So it can be. Oh, there we go. I was just about to say it can be slow on a weekend. Now I'm going to turn them off. There we go, and let's go to trading history. Okay, so you can see there's another 4 open, which are due to come in a few minutes. So I'll pause the video again, and I'll be back when these come in, and we'll see how we get on. And then I'm going to call it a day. It's Friday afternoon. So yeah, I'll pause the video, and I'll be back again in a few minutes. Okay, so I'm back, and as you can see, another 3 wins. So very pleased with that. 8 trades, 2 losses. As you can see there's from today's trades, the 8 trades, and funny enough, the first and the last. So I'm not going to do any more. So I'm going to go out, and I say Fridays can be a little bit dodgy anyway. Let's just go back to the robots. And yeah, 72 grand. So yeah, 12,707 profit in those 8 trades. I know it sounds a lot, but obviously my balance is high. Like I said, I just left it in. That was my first withdrawal that I showed you earlier. And now I'll put some more withdrawals. I think I'll try and get that down to about 40 grand, and then trade from that. But yeah, I mean, the reason is I didn't withdraw. I left the money in there and just traded. Each time it's taking 10% of your trade. It's getting bigger and bigger and bigger. So yeah, very pleased with that. So yeah, I mean, the main reason for the video was to show the withdrawal. And obviously with it being on Bitcoin, it goes through very quickly. So yeah, very pleased with that afternoon trading. Anyway, if you want to check out BinBot Pro for yourself, there is a link below this video. Don't forget to subscribe for all the latest on what's happening. There is a new platform due to come out, I think maybe next week. So keep an eye out for that. Get subscribed if you're not subscribed. And yeah, as soon as I hear anything about that, I shall let you know. So a trader buddy of mine, he's ever tipped me off with has always been good. So he said that there's something hot coming out, so I'm looking forward to that. But as soon as I know more, I'll let you know. Give me a thumbs up if you like the videos. Have a very good weekend. I say don't forget to subscribe, and if you want to check out BinBot Pro for yourself, the link's below the video. Go through it in your own time and look at the homepage and read all about it. Do your own research. And yeah, I'll be back with you next week with more updates and reviews. Thank you.